Hello Tubes, good day. Again some more tractors from this event, the grand opening of Tracteur's mobile museum, and all the guys from the club brought their old tractor. Even a Volvo. That's a rare one. Volvo diesel. Bolinder. BM Victor. Ooh, well, as long as it's greasy, it won't rust. Belgian plates, of course. Yeah. Ooh. No poking, no poking. Solid, but a bit of rust. To help you starting ether. M.A.N. Real Ursus. C335. Oh, from Russia with love. Bielarus. Bielarus. MT3. Oh. 1965. Solid. Very solid. It's a biggie, look, in comparison. Bielarus. Ooh. 45 horse export. Let's see. Carraro. Carraro. Oh, 450. Ever seen a Carraro Bosch injection pump? Huh. Brilliant 700. The Hanomag. 1964. 75 horse. FD3. 1960. Ooh, very shiny. Very shiny. Attention. Depth-O-Matic. Yeah, sounds. Oh, spray can with ether. Let's see. Start your M.A.N. Yeah. Yeah. nicely. Yeah. A red one and the blue one. '60, 55 horse from Germany, of course. Big winch, you never know. Well, you better be prepared for winter. Got some firewood. Yep, got firewood. Well, troops, again, greetings from Belgium, from this nice event in Sint Leenaarts. See you in the next vid. Bye bye.